Ka jingalang jong ka Kynhun Myntri ka balalong menta kasngi ka khatsan tarik ukila lingkot arja arpusan kala shim ya karai ban Pynrung lang no e ka Ktien Pnar Haka state anthem. Habak rench kinong tho kubor hadian ka jingalang jong ka Kynhun Myntri na kalyang u Myntri rangba ka jila ukon rat sangma ulo ong ba hadian balayo ya ki jingai jingmut na kinong mi khmat bat na ki riu pat ba na kalyang ka Kynhun ki Myntri menta kasngi kala rai ban Pynrung ya ka Ktien Pnar Haka state anthem bat kaban sa pintem pat ba ha kasngi play perdai ka Meghalaya games kaban sa long haka arphuai tarik kala lingkot arja arpusan hawa ejer.
First of all, I'd like to once again wish you all Happy New Year. I've met some of you, but some of you I could not meet. But to everyone, a very Happy New Year. We had 9 agendas today in the cabinet, and I would like to start. The first agenda today was the amendment to the state anthem. I am happy to announce and inform that based on some of the suggestions that have come to us from our representatives and the public at large, the cabinet today has decided to amend the Meghalaya state anthem, and we are happy to include few lines in Pnar in the state anthem. So this will be unveiled in the state Meghalaya games, which will be held in Vaijer in Jante Hills, and we'll be playing it on that particular day. So that was the first decision that was taken by the cabinet today.